Hey, what's going on guys? This is Shubh back again with another super helpful and amazing video. And for today, I will show you that how can you create your very own subtitles for any video on Windows. So without any further ado, subscribe to the channel in case you haven't, and let's begin. Now for the simplicity, I have uploaded subtitles on this YouTube video so you can turn on CC for them. Firstly, go to the start menu, search for the notepad and then open it up. Doing so opens Notepad, which is your computer's default text editing program. Once it appears, enter your first subtitles order. Type in 0, then press enter to start a new line. For your second subtitle, you will type in 1, the third will use 2, and so on. Create a timestamp for your subtitles text. Each part of the timestamp should be in hour, minute, second and millisecond format with a beginning and an end separated by spaces and a 2- arrow. For example, if you want to place your first subtitle on the video between 5 and 10 seconds into the video, you have to type in 00:00:05 period 00 space 2- arrow space 00:00:10 period 00 space. Here, in some cases it might be required to separate seconds and milliseconds by a comma instead of a period. After that, press enter. This will create a new line, which is where your subtitles text will go. Enter your subtitles text, type in whatever you want your subtitle to say. As long as you don't press enter at any point until you are done writing the subtitle, it will appear on one line. You can also create a second line of text by pressing enter once and then typing in your second line's text. Press enter twice. This will place a space between your previous subtitle and the place in which you'll begin your next subtitle. Create the rest of your video subtitles. Each subtitle will require an order number, a timestamp, at least one subtitle text line and a blank line between it and the next order number. Once you are done with your subtitles, go to the file option and then click on save as. Enter the desired name of your text and type .srt at the end of the file's name. Also, you have to change the save as type to all files, and here you are done with your subtitles. If you aren't using English subtitles, you'll need to click the encoding box in the bottom right corner of the window. Click UTF-8 in the drop down menu. Now before ending this video, I will give you 2 pro tips which will really help in this subtitles making process. First, you can also use YouTube to add a SRT file to your video if you want to publish the video online. Second, subtitle files can be tiring or difficult to create, but they are much more accurate than our audio transcriptions performed by sites such as YouTube or other third-party services. One minor drawback of this process is that adding a subtitle to a video can take an extremely long time, so please be patient. So that's pretty much it for this informative video guys. I hope you must have loved the content. I'll surely release a video on how to add subtitles to any video, so stay tuned. Like and share if you really loved it, and subscribe to my channel if you want more videos like this, and I will see you in the next cool video. Peace out.